and new games. And I don't know why Mario is riding on Yoshi.
It comes with Super Mario Brothers Wii. That's the game it comes with.
Whoa, it comes with Super Mario. Have see? Music CD, CD Mosca. Hey! Hey! Why did they spell it in Spanish?
I'm glad I'm recording
why do I
this.
have to do it in Spanish, guys?
Yep, you have to play it in Spanish.
Yeah, we can't play it in
Then you
English.
have to
You have
learn
to play it in
Spanish, don't you?
Spanish.
Santa must have got it in Mexico.
You suppose?
Mexico. Can we play with the Wii?
Well, we still have 2 presents to open.
Oh.
Santa.
Hey! How you doing that? Say this. And that. And this. And that. And this.
Really?
And that. And this. And that. Hey, this is the Wii controller.
Oh, wow.
I got the white one. Hey,
Yeah,
I
you do have
played
the white
one
ones,
of
don't you?
these games before. I know that. Because I went to Bass Pro Shop and they had a hunting game that
did they?
has a black controller and a Wii.
Oh.
That's a video game and it's a black Wii. This is a lot of activity.
Yes, it is.
So where's the other present?
Right there.
Right there on top of your wheel.
Last one.
Here's your
Last
daddy's
one.
Oh, Damon?
Ready, set, this.
Waste basket right there.
No! Mommy! Mommy!
You don't have
Mommy
to throw away
present!
enough.
No! Mommy's already dead.
What? What is
That's to you.
Oh, okay. So mommy's already dead.
I mean present, Mommy.
What?
The present, Mommy, that belongs to this child. Oh. So what's this?
What have you been saying about me behind my back?
Monster game? So,
What's that?
I don't know.
Oh, I think that's you use that to hook it up to the TV.
Oh, but it's white.
That's fine.
Yeah.
You have to get the black one.
Video auto. Okay.
Well,
So I'm going to go back.
Go.
Good idea.